點解佢要咁平賣咧？
爭錢啊嘛，佢爭錢啊嘛，你要逼佢啊嘛。
買呢條啊？
唔係牙醫佢冇人買，佢買咗啫嘛。
即係新減價有講。
政府爭錢啊！
即係而家啲人買平咗，佢買嗰時貴咗。
仲俾錢㗎 ，OK。因為如果人哋初買落翻嗰時買平咗，你而家買貴咁點樣係買咯？喺後期，所以都冇得講。
Honey, want some pop?
Nothing for Blizzard.
冇啊，啲人以為佢都好好。
Leave it, Blizzard, leave it.
交俾你，不過唔好。
Blizzard so good.
今日最揾笨就係。
Lucas thought you meant him.
佢話攞40，請咗40。
Oh, he can't reach.
Hold up.
嗰啲40個人咧，根本上啲熟 friend 啊，啲有錢嗰啲大客啊，半價賣俾
Eat that one.
Yeah，佢哋睇嗰啲
Lucas can't reach.
VIP。
Blizzard's paw is really close to it.
Oh, he's gonna flip out of it. He's gonna flip
No,
out
it's
of
half
it.
price. That's the test market.
抹個蓋都有乜？
俾人鬧嘅。
抹個蓋。
Oh, Blizzard wanted it.
It's fruit.
Straight to the mouth.
7點咯。
今晚睇得啊？我睇得啊？
我哋睇下先出咗嚟。
嚇？咁啊
Lucas, Bay Blizzard lah. Lucas, Bay Blizzard. Bay Blizzard cookie lah.
Happy 做睇緊。哦，Happy 今晚去睇緊
Here,
先啊。
Lucas, ready?
咦，咁啊 Oh my 啊！
俾 doggy 食啦。Dog hair.
You really should be surprised.
方嘢點啊？嗰件事。
Okay, ready? Ready? Let Blizzard eat it, okay?
咁我啊。
Let Blizzard eat it,
Oh, he
okay?
wants it.
嚇？
Let Blizzard eat it. Ready? Okay.
Yeah, it's on his toe.
Okay, Blizzard, eat it.
No, we'll just lick it.
Eat it, Blizzard.
Blizzard, okay, take
Okay,
it.
take it.
Okay, take it. He's very gentle. See how gentle he was?
Biba had it.
Yeah.
Do you want to lick his toe?
Take the toe.
哇！你
Take
做
the
咩
toe.
咁污糟啊？
Take the toe. There's some here.
Okay, Blizzard. Okay.
Okay, get the toe.
Get the toe.
No, he sees. Okay, Blizzard. No, no, no. Okay, what's that? What's that?
He wants the bigger one.
No, what's that, Blizzard? Okay, right there.
Grab it. Grab
Okay,
it.
right there.
Right there. Right there.
Okay, right here, Blizzard. Leave it. Right here. Okay. Right here, Blizzard. What's this? Okay. Okay.
到咩？
Okay. He licking. Okay. Okay. Lick it. Okay.
No, he's not gonna get it.
He did. He was licking it. Blizzard. Okay.
Stop making him lick his foot.
Blizzard. Okay. Okay. Right there. What's this? What's this? Blizzard. What's this? Look.
It's too small. It's not worth it.
Blizzard. Look. What's that?
咬佢個指啊！
Good boy. Okay. He did. He got a chunk. Hi, baby. Oh, baby. What's this? Okay, you got to sit back.